completely destroyed this rocker panel. I have a Mazda 3 here on the frame rack. This one got hit down low. Looks like it got dragged across something. And it completely destroyed this rocker panel all the way across. The entire thing. So this one's going to get a new rocker panel. Now this is how it comes whenever you buy a new piece from Mazda. So this one, they actually have a sectioning procedure to section it in right about here. So I'm going to cut this top chunk off, as well as a procedure to section it right here and up here in the front. I've already made some measurements on where the sectioning joints are. I measured down from here, and there's one that's going to be right here, another one right here. They have a measurement from this bolt down, and then another one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this rocker panel cut off, and then I will start trimming out my new piece. So I made my final cuts on this new panel, and I have it sitting on here, and it's overlapping the existing piece on the car by about an inch or so. So I'm going to scribe this at all three joints. Then I'll lift this back off, and I will trim back these last sections, and that'll give me a perfect seam at all three joints. So I went ahead and fit the doors on this one. I want to make sure my gap across the bottom and everything lined up good with the doors. And it's all nice and even. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift these doors back off and get that rocker panel welded on. So I have this rocker panel ready to prime up. I almost forgot. I have a repair on the fender as well, down in that bottom corner right here. So I'm gonna straighten that out and then I will get this one all primed up. So I have to apply a chip guard across the bottom of this rocker panel. It just kind of is a thick texture to prevent rocks from coming up and chipping the rocker panel. So I'm going to tape this off. I'm going to do a tape trick where I fold the tape and it helps prevent getting a hard line. And I'm going to tape this off right across here. And I'm going to apply that chip guard and I'll lightly let it just graze across the top so it doesn't get a hard line in there and it just kind of fades out.